So we just received by UPS our Ecotric 2 bikes here and another one here in good condition. Gonna open them up. Just received from UPS our 2 e-bikes from Ecotric. One here and one here. Gonna open them up and assemble them. So I'll use this with a clipper. So this is what we got so far. The front tire came off. We have the suspension, the handlebar there, right here. So the assembly instructions, you might want to pause on this and review. Mainly you have to put the suspension first, and then the handlebar. I'm gonna go ahead and review this. This is the front fork. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of this and then remove this first before we insert it into the bike. It also comes with accessory bag. Go ahead with all the tools and everything in here. This is what we got here. Some tools, pedals, battery charger, some deflectors, LCD panel, I think that's ring, whatever the, okay, here you go.